Most people think they understand John Rawls' famous thought experiment, but they're missing the point entirely. Rawls asked this question: what kind of society would you design if you didn't know whether you'd be born rich or poor, smart or disabled, male or female? He called this the veil of ignorance. Everyone assumes this leads to complete equality. Take from the rich, give to the poor, make everything fair. But that's not what Rawls concluded at all. He actually said inequality can be justified if it helps the worst off people in society. His difference principle allows wealth gaps when they create incentives that lift everyone up. Think about it this way: would you rather live in a perfectly equal society where everyone makes $20,000, or an unequal one where the poorest still make $30,000 because the system rewards innovation and hard work? Rawls wasn't promoting socialism. He was finding rational principles that selfish people would choose when they don't know their starting position. The real insight? Even fairness-minded people accept inequality when it serves a greater purpose.